Boom. Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to teach you that move.
Tom Dyer!
It's a very difficult move to do, but there is a couple of tricks that you can learn to try and get there very, very quickly. Okay, before I go any further, there is 80% of you, 80% watching this video who haven't subscribed to the channel. So please consider subscribing down below, or you can hit that big red button that says subscribe, click the little bell, ding, ding, and you'll be notified when I upload new videos, just like a TV show. It's like having a TV guide in your pocket, so you're notified when I upload other videos like this one. We're gonna start with 2 bottles. I'm right-handed, so I want my strong right hand to be in tennis grab, and my weaker hand is going to be in a beer grab. So my left side is towards you, and what's going to happen is my left hand is just going to do a double spin up like this, okay, and my right hand is going to do a double spin to here, back to front. So I'm doing this move with my right hand, okay, but the bottle comes towards the front of my body, so I have a lot of space to catch both bottles. So I'm going to pass this bottle over to my left hand, stay standing in this position, pretend that I have these 2 bottles in my right hand, and I'm just going to place my arm here just so I can put my body in the position of what it's going to be in when I try and perform this move. And you want to perform a multiplex, which is like this. And how we perform the multiplex is you're going to have 1 bottle a bit higher up and 1 bottle a bit lower down. So you're kind of, the shoulder of this one is in the shoulder of that one. You see what I mean? And you're going to grab hold of these 2 like this, okay? So all my fingers in the front and my thumb behind, right? And you're going to throw them up together at the same time. This is going to do 1 spin, this is going to do 2 spins. Once you've got used to doing that, then you can pass those 2 bottles over to your right hand, and we're going to put these in tennis grab. So the first bottle you're going to grab like this on the neck, and the second bottle is going to go in between those 3 fingers. Now remember, you want one a bit higher, this one, and that one a bit lower. So if I turn it over, you can see this one next to the thumb is a bit higher and this one is a bit lower. That means this one will do 1 spin and this one is going to do 2 spins. And if I stand sideways on, this is going to go up for 1 spin, and this one is going to come first, and this is going to go for 2 spins. If I stand this way, you'll see how they fly across in front of my body. Now I've got my other 2 bottles in my left hand, and these ones are coming up here. And I'm ready to catch those in the right position, and these 2 are going to be on this side. So once you're comfortable with performing both of those moves with the right hand and with the left hand, you can try and put them both together. You can start with just holding these 2 bottles here and trying this move, and then trying this move. And then once you're comfortable, just throw them all together. And to start with, what you can do is try and just catch this bottle and this bottle, the 2 bottles which are doing 1 spin to begin with. And then your reactions will get better. You'll see where those other 2 bottles are flying, and you'll get ready and more confident to catch those 2 bottles. So the move should look like this. Now, if you see how I'm grabbing these bottles, I'm grabbing them exactly in the same way. So the first bottle on each hand comes and lands in between my thumb and my index finger, and the second bottle comes and lands in between my index finger and the next 3 fingers. Okay, one more time. There we go. Boom. Please let me know what you think about this video. Don't forget to ask any questions in the comments box below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like it if you like the video. And until next time, I'll see you then. So the move should look like this. No, it shouldn't. That's when you clap.